If you read the script like I'm doing right now, when you're making a video, or you constantly look away from the camera, this feature will change how you make videos forever. I'm about to show you how to use eye contact in CapCut. This way, it looks as if you're always looking straight into the camera. And you can do this on both your CapCut mobile app and also the CapCut desktop app. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so I'm currently in CapCut right now, as you can see. I'm currently in CapCut. Very simple. Click on New Video to create a project. Select your video. I have the video of me talking right here, as you can see. So you can see I'm actually not looking at my camera. When you're reading from a script, sometimes you're looking, sometimes you're not looking. So you can see, very simple. Click on the video, then just scroll all the way down and look for eye contact. It is absolutely free. You're not paying for this. Just know you're not paying. And you can see right here, eye contact free. Click on it, apply. It applies and you're good to go. You can see off, on, off, on. And that's it. It's absolutely free. You use from the scripts and you just do whatever you want to do. Once you're done, click export, and that's literally all you need to do. So I have a video right here, and in this video, in some parts, I'm actually not looking at the camera. So right here, you can see I'm looking at the camera right here. So this is good. I'm going to start from here. Yeah, good. So one thing you need to know about eye contact on PC is quite different. On phone, everybody has it. It's free. On desktop instead, not everyone has it. So some of you watching this video, you might probably not have eye contact on your PC, and that's the truth. I'm currently using a Mac and I have eye contact. A few months ago, about a month ago, I was using my MSI. I still use my MSI anyways. I don't have eye contact with my MSI, even though I have like the latest CapCut and everything. But my Mac, I have it. So if you're in the EU, the US, or like Western countries, just click on your video and just scroll all the way down. And under camera tracking or a bit over camera tracking, you would have eye contact because whenever I travel, I have eye contact easily. But I'm currently in Lagos, Nigeria. I just need to come here, click on analyze. It analyzes my video, and once it's done, I have the eye contact option. So if you don't have it, if you don't have analyze, then you have to use your phone. But if you have analyze, easily you can see eye contact. You can see right here. So I searched everywhere. This is the only way you can actually get eye contact on PC. If you're in like Nigeria or other African countries, just click on it, eye contact. You can see activated. Let me just zoom into my eye so you can see it says right here. I turn it off, remove. Let me remove it. You can see I'm looking away, and I turn it back on, and it's good. So if you're in the UK, the EU, or like America, or wherever, easily you have it here. Very simple. But if you're in like African countries, if you use a Mac, very simple for you to you have access to it easily. It's analyze or depending too. I've actually my friend uses an MSI, but he has it on his own MSI. I think he uses a VPN. So if you actually use a VPN, you're good to go. You can use a VPN and you have analyze or the eye contact feature. So you just click on it, eye contact. I think I turned it off already. I think it's actually on, so you can see eye contact. So that's all you need to do. And also, if you want to learn more about CapCut, just check the link in the description below. I have an amazing course coming up.